Hi, Chris here with Handle It. Today I want to tell you a little bit about our V-nose guard. So the application for this would be if you have an upright, a standard 3x3 upright here, and if you had a beam on this first level, typically you're going to use a 12-inch post protector. If there was a beam here, it would be hitting, and this post protector would not fit. So you use this V-nose guard. It's only 4 inches high. We go underneath the beam. Notice it has a 1/2 inch anchor hole here. So it goes underneath the beam, and this is a standard 3x3 upright with an inset footplate. Notice it is raised up a little bit, but that's not a big deal because the anchor will hold it down. The reason for that design is that if you have a 5x8 seismic base plate like this, it will actually sit even with it, so that way you can use it for both an inset footplate and a 5x8 seismic footplate.